Today, I will show you another way to enjoy your fish in a special way. This peppered fish is a must try for everyone. It is perfect for any kind of fish. Let's get it started. I'll be using croaker fish, but any kind of fish you'll be using has to be well cleaned, well washed, and really well prepared for this recipe. This is how I bought this croaker fish. They have removed the guts, so it has reduced the work I need to do on it. I only need to check the scales, remove the remaining ones, and of course, I have to cut the fins. Alright, so let's do this together. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my subscribers, my followers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for your honest comments. Thank you so much for your love. I appreciate you all. Newcomers, you're also welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Leave a comment. Let me appreciate you. So lovely. So you can see they are now ready. So it now depends on how you want it. If you want it all like that, or you want to cut it into two, but I cut this into three. Okay, I cut each into three. I like the size. And now I've really rinsed it well. It's very important. After rinsing, I sprinkled some salt all over it. And after that, I'm going to add ginger powder. Yes, you are going to love this. It will take the taste to another level. After that, I'm going to add my garlic powder. After adding garlic powder into it, I have my paprika powder here. Yes, it's going to give you yummy color. Try this. After that, I'm going to add my seasoning mixture. If you don't have this seasoning mixture, use a normal seasoning. Add it into this, and it's now time to marinate it well. Yes, marinate this. Use your hand, use your gloves, doesn't matter. Leave it for about 30 minutes. Can refrigerate it. Now in another pot, I'll be adding some vegetable oil in the pot. Heat it up a bit and add diced or sliced onion. After that, I'm going to add diced fresh garlic into it, and I'm going to fry this for about 2 minutes. After that, I'm going to add my sliced paprika. I added a bit of seasoning and some salt, not that much, okay? I mixed them a bit together, and then I added fresh rosemary and basil. If you have dried one, doesn't matter, or feel free to add any herbs you are used to. I fried them together for about 2 minutes and then transferred into another bowl and keep it aside for later use. In that very pot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of tomato paste. We call it tin tomato. I'm going to fry this on the low heat for about 5 minutes, okay, to reduce the sweet taste out of it. I added pepper mixture of paprika, onions, habanero. Then I added more chili powder. I added seasoning. I added oregano into it. It's optional. So I mixed them well and allow it to fry. Okay, I left it partly covered. So let me show you how it tastes now. You can see vegetable oil are floating on it, which shows that it is fried and it is ready. It is now time to introduce the well-marinated fish into the sauce. Alright, you can just do it like this. When you put it in, coat it with a pepper and make sure you mix it this way, okay? Now cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Be mixing it occasionally like this, alright? This is what you're going to have. The aroma here is everything. It's now time to have the super pepper mix we made at the beginning. I covered it with this. Just do the topping with this, and this is how it's going to look. It's now time to allow them to simmer together. That's how you're going to be shaking it while you allowing it to simmer together for about 5 minutes. Lovely. This is what you're going to have. This is amazing. Serve it with jollof rice. Serve it with anything, even with swallow. Put it on top of it. You will love the taste. But I rock this with rice. My God, do you have jasmine rice? Do you have long corn rice? Even if it's ofada rice, you're going to thank me later. Thanks for watching.